Alright, welcome. This is Thursday, November 29th, 2018, the homework solutions. Okay, here it says write the equation in slope-intercept form. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 wonderful linear equations, and we want them in slope-intercept form. What is that? What is slope-intercept form? Let's review that because I know some of you di didn't get a chance to see that in the notes. Slope-intercept form takes the form y is equal to mx mx plus b. Okay, where the m stands for the slope, which is in green, and the b stands for the y-intercept, which is always in purple. Let me make a note of that for you. B, it is the y-intercept, and the green, it is our m, green m, it is our slope. Alright, so let's do this one. Let's look at number 1. We could already find the y-intercept. Looks like it is right here. That is the line, that is the point that is crossing the y-intercept. Okay, do you see that? So we can say that the y-intercept is equal to 4. Now we can find the slope. We can just count to do that. So it looks like it went up 1. So it went 1 up, then it went 1 to the right. So we went 1 to the right. Okay? So the slope looks like you went 1 up and 1 to the right. Okay? So the slope here, again, let me just remind you, the slope, it is up or down, depending if it's positive or negative. And you're going to divide that by how much is it going to the right. Okay? So for this one, it looks like the slope, which is going to be m, was 1 up, so 1, and to the right 1, which is 1 over 1. So there you go. So now you could write it in slope-intercept form. So y is equal to, what's the slope? 1 over 1, 1 over 1. Put the x, and add in the y value, so plus 4. There you go. Y is equal to 1 over 1x plus 4. Let's do the next one. Let's see if we could find the y-intercept. Ooh, look, it's right here. This is the point that is crossing the y-axis. There you go. And it looks like it is 0. So we would say that the y-intercept, b, is equal to 0. Alright, now let's find the slope. So, let's go. Starting from the left point, we go to the right point. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Looks like it's going down, so we do minus 6 here. Then it looks like it's going to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So it goes here, negative 3. Okay? Alright, so what is the slope? Notice it is going down, so it is negative 6. So we write negative 6. It goes to the right here. Oop, it's a positive 3. Alright, it's going to the right. Positive 3. Sorry about that. Which is 3. Negative 6 over 3 can be simplified by pulling out the greatest common factor of 3, or dividing by 3. So here, pulling out a 3 becomes, or reducing it by 3, becomes 2 over 1. So, in the equation, it would be y is equal to negative 2 over 1x plus 0. Okay, there you go. Let's do the next one. Let's see if we could find the y-intercept here. Ooh, this is the point that is crossing the y-axis, right? That is that point that crosses the y-axis, which is goes up and down, which is 1. That looks good. So b is equal to 1. Okay. Alright, let's find the slope now. Okay. Looks like it starts here. How much do we go up? Looks like we went 1 up, so that's positive 1. And how much do we go to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went 4 to the right. Alright, it gets us our slope now. So our slope, which is 1 up, which is 1, 4 to the right. Okay, so y is equal to 1 over 4 x plus 1. Okay, 1/4 is the slope, x plus 1, which is the y-intercept. Alright, let's do the last one. See if you could find the y-intercept. It is the point that is crossing the y-intercept. So it's that point right there, because the y-intercept is right there. Okay, that's the y-axis. So that is the y-intercept of 1. So b here is equal to 1. Let's find the slope now. Looks like it is going down 1, 2. So it is minus 2 because it's going down. How much is it going to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Good job. So now we have m is equal to, how much do we go down? Negative 2. How much do we go to the right? 4, which can be simplified to 1/2. 2 over 4 can be simplified into 1/2. But remember, this is a negative 2, so it's still a negative here. Okay? Alright. So y is equal to, put in the slope, negative 1/2. Put in the x at the y-intercept, plus 1. There you go. We wrote all the equations for all 4 graphs in slope-intercept form. Alright, there you go. Those are all your homework solutions.